Hey, so welcome back to Unconventional Itinerary. Today I am at this spot called the BROWS shop, and I am finally getting my eyebrows microbladed. If you remember, if you watch my Instagram, I had gotten my eyebrows tinted and reshaped about 2 months ago, but then when I went to go to my appointment, the lady had her baby, and now I'm here now waiting to get microbladed. As you can see, my eyebrows are not that great. They've been growing in, and here we go. Hey, so I just got back to my house. Like, this hair is sticking up. These are my new eyebrows. Literally, I have eyebrows now. I've never been able to do that with my eyebrows, but I guess because they still hurt. I did get a cute little bag, a goodie bag. Wrong way. I did get a cute goodie bag right here. Goodie bag from the BROWS shop here in Merida. The owner is Marisol. She did an amazing job. Look at these eyebrows. Mackenzie says I look evil. I look mad. I'm gonna go upstairs and show you guys just the care tips. We're gonna go to my bathroom. Hopefully the lighting is good enough so you guys can see how I am going to wash my eyebrows for the first time since getting them done. All right, so now we're in my bathroom. I am going to pull out the little contents of my bag that I got right here from the BROWS shop here in Merida. So I got a few things. I got a little bar of soap, which this is what I'm going to be using to wash my eyebrows with. I got a cute little Kleenex right here. That's super cute. That's to dry my eyebrows once I finish washing them. I also got this little itty bitty little thing of ointment right here, which I'm going to put on my eyebrows after I pat them dry. I'm going to do that with a Q-tip right here. And then before I go to bed, I am going to put these on my eyebrows. These right here. They are little patches just to keep the moisture on my eyebrows. So this is day one, how my eyebrows look, or actually the first day. I'm going to do a collection of day pictures so you guys can see how my eyebrows have looked over the week. And I guess I will finish up this vlog in a few days. I'll catch you guys in a few days then. Bye. All right, time for bed. I actually almost didn't reach the tip. It's like barely on the tip. I didn't realize how these things actually worked. But this is how it is, the eyebrow for the night. I wash my face. I'm going to sleep. Tomorrow I will do this every 4 hours minus the tape. So let's see how beautiful my eyebrows look in the morning. All right, good morning. This is day 2. I actually started peeling this off and then I realized I should just vlog this. My face is a mess because I have my night stuff to put on my face. But this is how my face looks right now. I'm gonna finish peeling this off. I actually did this the wrong way. Like, I didn't understand how these things work. So it was like really right on the tip. But then the other one I put like kind of far over. So I'm just taking this off. Last night I did wash and then pat dry. And I kind of went to bed early because I have a cleaning lady coming today. And I don't know what's going on here. Just going to take this over like this. Okay. That's how one looks. Now I'm going to do the other one. It was definitely kind of hard to sleep tonight. I felt like my apologize for being like pulled a little bit too much, maybe because I put this on the wrong way. But no hair. There looks like there's like a little like black stuff in there, but that could just have been like the residue from the ink itself. So I'm just gonna wash my face again. I'm going to do the steps: wash it, pat it dry, put the ointment on every 4 hours. This is day 2. But they look really good. They're dark, but they look really good. A lot of people have commented on my Instagram saying that they did like the way they look. They are really, really good. I'm so happy I have eyebrows now. Okay, this is day 3. I just got finished washing my face. As you can see, they still look really, really, really good. I'm about to put this cream on. I actually just blotted the moisture from my eyebrows. And I'm still loving how they look, even though they do look dark, but I like it dark. Marisol, the woman who did my eyebrows, she said they would lighten up just a little bit, but I really like this. So we're gonna continue for a few more days. I'm gonna do 5 days, and then I'll give you guys a recap on my experience getting microbladed here in Mexico. All right, hey, I know I'm looking kind of crazy. I just woke up. My hair is like left over from yesterday. But this is day 3 of my eyebrows. You can see right here. They look still really, really good. I know this looks like kind of down because I just put that ointment on there. But they still look really, really good. So I'm gonna tell you guys about the whole experience with me getting microbladed. But first I need to do something to this hair. I need to put some clothes on, and let's jump right into it. All right, so now that I'm dressed and I have time, I'm gonna talk about my experience getting microbladed here in Mexico. So maybe like 2 months previously to this, I had gotten my eyebrows shaped and tinted, and the lady did such a good job. So I was like, cool, I'm gonna come and get my eyes microbladed in 2 weeks. But at the time, the woman was like super pregnant. She was like, okay, I'm not due for like another 4 weeks, but we're gonna make this appointment. And if I have the baby before then we'll just schedule you for when I come back off maternity leave. She's the only person in her shop. So she ended up having her baby. And I was like, oh man, I guess I'm gonna have to wait for whenever she gets back. So fast forward to May, she finally came back off maternity leave, and I got my eyebrows done. I fully trusted this lady because she did such an amazing job on my eyebrows. I'll probably insert a picture. And it was, you know, not a lot of people can do eyebrows. That's the issue. I got my eyebrows waxed down here 2 weeks ago, and the girl just did a horrible job. Like, she didn't even like pluck anything. I had like a bald spot. She was like, oh yeah, that's where you have to let your hair grow back in. I'm just like, she didn't do it right here. She didn't do nothing. It was a hot mess. It was like a waste of money, and they were charging American prices. Okay, so I get there. My appointment was at 6 p.m. at the BROWS shop in Merida, and she's like, okay, I just need you to sit down. I'm going to hand sanitize you. I'm going to spray you down. She did that. She sprayed me down with like some type of disinfectant. And then she has like some release forms that she has to, you know, ask you questions just to protect herself. It was like asking about my medical stuff, if I had like did any exercises, drink caffeine, alcohol, anything like that. So of course, you know, it's in Spanish, so she was asking me in English. After I answered all those questions, I had to sign it, and I had to sign another form, and that was like the aftercare form. But she told me that she would explain everything to me again afterwards. So I go lay down, and it takes about 3 hours. I think the longest part really is her getting the shape of your eyebrow, because she uses like red pencil, like a white tape. It's just like a bunch of different things she does to make sure everything's lined up. So that took maybe like 45 minutes. And then after she does that, she takes like 4 pictures or so, and then she like uploads it to her phone or this app, which like verifies like everything is shaped properly. So she had to make some adjusting to like my one eyebrow. But then she showed me, she's like, yeah, you can see everything is lined up, it all matches and everything. And I was like, okay, cool. So then she lays you back down, because at this point you're sitting up. And she's like, okay, I'm gonna put the topical cream on. So the topical cream was in a little tube. She puts it on, and then she's like, okay, I'm gonna start. I'm like, all right, cool, I'm ready for this. So the first stroke hit, I'm like, okay, I can kind of feel this, you know. And for me, whenever I get any type of like pain medication or whatever, like I need something like super strong, or I need something like a double dosage. Just like when I get my teeth done, like I have to have double the dosage because I feel everything. So the first stroke, I'm like, all right, I feel this is like kind of a little bit discomforting. And she's just like, okay, we're just gonna hang in there. So I'm literally like grasping my hand, like digging my fingernail into my other hand. And each stroke that passes, it hurts so bad. It hurt so bad. It wasn't to the point where I was like jumping, acting a fool, but it was just bad that I could feel like every stroke, and I could hear like the sound of my skin slicing open, because my, you know, your ears are right there. So I was just like, am I supposed to feel this entire time? She was like, no, the first round of strokes you're gonna feel. The topical cream is only supposed to like help with the pain, but that topical cream didn't do nothing. So after that, she like put another solution on there, and that definitely numbed it. It kind of like stung, like burned, but in like a very therapeutic way. So once we did that, she did it to both sides, and then she started stroking it. I didn't feel anything after that. Everything was like quick pace. I mean, she took her time, but it was like the strokes, you know, it just seemed like it went by so fast. After that, she puts like some type of like brown stuff on it. I'll insert the picture here too. I don't know what it's called. And then she lets that sit for like 20 minutes. After that, she gives you like a goodie bag, and she tells you like everything that's in it, how to use it, how to properly wash your face, when to wash your face. The main things, like, don't let your eyebrows get wet, and make sure you're constantly washing your eyebrows to keep them clean, because, you know, your skin just got cut open and you don't want the cuts to get infected. All right, so from there, I went home, and that's where the beginning of this vlog started. Overall, Marisol, the owner, she's super nice. She does speak English. I think she speaks good English. Some words she may or may not know, but as far as work ethics, her shop is super clean. She's super nice. Her prices to get this done was 3,500 pesos, which is about $125. Okay, no, $175, because 3,000 pesos is 150. So it wasn't bad. I have talked to people in the States that said they were charged like $500 for microblading. But for this price, I cannot complain. She really did a good job. Like, everyone has been complimenting me on my eyebrows. My daughter is always like, she's saying that I always look mean. But other than that, if you're in this area, the Yucatán, and you want your eyebrows done, even if you want to get them arched or shaped or tinted, I highly suggest it. Oh, and I forgot to mention, she does actually thread too. She doesn't pluck, she's a threader. So if you want threading done, she is the girl to go to. I will put her information in the description box. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys like my new brows as much as I do. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.